Now that you've purchased a Ricoh scanner and PaperStream Capture Pro, what do you need to install in order to make it all work? To begin with, browse to www.pfu-us.ricoh.com/support. From there, go to the drivers and download sections and click on View All. Scroll to the FI series section and click Download. Here, you will select the series of scanner that you purchased, the specific model that you purchased, and your operating system. Click Display Software, and you'll be presented with a list of all of the available software. Okay, to start with, you'll need to download a driver, and there are two, PaperStream IP Twain and PaperStream IP ISIS. If you don't know which one you need, just go ahead and install them both. They'll happily reside side by side on your computer, and your application will use the one that it needs. For PaperStream Capture Pro, choose the PaperStream IP Twain driver. For many of the software, when you click download, you'll be given the option of two downloads, an EXE and an ISO. If you don't know which one you need, choose the EXE. Next, you'll want to download the error recovery guide. Those are the help files for our software. In the application section, you'll want to download PaperStream Capture. Now, a note here, when you choose to download PaperStream Capture, it will ask you for the serial number of the scanner. You should find that on the back of the scanner. Next, download the PaperStream connector option. This will give you additional destinations that you can send your documents to. Next, download the Abby Fine Reader for ScanSnap. This will give you the ability to output in Office formats like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. And then finally, you'll want to download the FI series manuals. Those are the help files for the hardware of your scanner. The install order is the same as download. Start with the drivers, the error recovery guide, PaperStream Capture, the two options, and the manuals. In most cases, when you're doing the install, it will be a simple matter of accepting the license and clicking Next. For PaperStream Capture, there are a couple of choices, so let's go through that. First choice is what language do you want to install in? And then here, you'll want to go ahead and accept the terms of the license agreement. And for most people, you'll want to install it as a single station operation. Multi-station operation is for those people who have purchased multiple licenses and are going to be splitting up their scanning, quality control, and indexing into different stations. Simply click Install. Click Finish. Window will pop up. Then PaperStream Capture will install the handwriting recognition tools. And once it's done, you're ready to begin scanning with your PaperStream Capture Pro. Enter your license code that you received with purchase, and then you're ready to begin scanning with PaperStream Capture Pro.